Okay, in this short video, we're going to be looking at numbers 9 through 12 of the review for the log function and exponential functions test. So these are equations written in, these are exponential equations that we're going to write in logarithmic form. So this is 8 to the power of 2, or 8 squared equals 64. As a log function, this 8 is the base, so log base 8 of 64 equals 2. Remember, the solution to a log equation is the exponent in exponential form. So here, 2 to the x minus 4 equals 32. So 2 is the base of the log. So log base 2 of 32 equals the exponent x minus 4, x minus 4. Okay, number 11, we have 10 to the power of 2x equals 54. So in log function, the 10 becomes the base. So log base 10 of 54 equals 2x. Now you could see this one just written as log 54 equals 2x. That's because if the base is 10, that's a natural log. So log of 54 is understood to have a base of 10. All right, now in this last one, we have e to the 6th equals x minus 2. Well, e is the base of our natural function, okay? So our ln function is really just a log with a base of e. So that would be log base e of x minus 2 equals 6.